Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to light mode in Google Photos on computer. So how to light mode in Google Photos on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. The next step, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. And here there are lots of setting options that you can use. Tap the Appearance menu. Now 3 options will appear. Tap Light to change to light mode. Now you can see here the display has become light mode. So that's it, tutorial how to light mode in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.